Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into the best Rubbermaid Scrub Brush Electric, the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber 18-piece kit. Whether you're dealing with grime in the bathroom, grease in the kitchen, or dirt outdoors, this kit is engineered to handle it all. So, what makes this kit the best in its class? Let's break it down. At first glance, the design of the Reveal Power Scrubber is both compact and ergonomic. The powered handle feels sturdy yet lightweight in your hand, and the red and gray color combo gives it that classic, no-nonsense Rubbermaid look. Inside the kit, you'll find an impressive lineup: an XL head, a large head, a soft bristle brush, a grout brush, a Velcro head, 6 scrubber pad refills, 6 microfiber pad refills, and even 4 Ah batteries. Yes, it's ready to go right out of the box. Now let's talk power. This handheld scrubber features an oscillating head that scrubs 60 times per second. That means it can cut through grime at double the speed of manual scrubbing, saving your energy and your time. Whether you're scrubbing around faucets, tiles, drains, or stubborn grout lines, this tool works fast and efficiently. It's also fully water resistant, so you can clean wet environments without hesitation. That adds peace of mind, especially when working around sinks, tubs, and showers. Versatility is another reason this stands out. In the bathroom, it's your go-to for tile, tubs, and tight corners. In the kitchen, it cleans countertops, stovetops, and even inside microwaves. Outdoors? No problem. Use it on your grill, patio furniture, car wheels, or even your golf clubs. And yes, it's even gentle enough to deep clean sneakers and boots, bringing life back to your footwear. Let's put it to the test. In this demo, we're starting with the kitchen stovetop, caked on food, grease, and dried sauces. With just the touch of a button and a few passes with the scrubber, the surface is gleaming. Then we move to the bathroom tile grout, typically a pain to clean. The grout brush head combined with that powerful oscillation lifts dirt with minimal effort. Outdoors, we try it on patio furniture. Dust, bird droppings, and weather stains come off smoothly. The battery life is solid too. Powered by 4 Ah batteries, you get long-lasting scrubbing sessions without needing to recharge. And since the heads and pads are interchangeable, switching between surfaces is quick and easy. Now, let's talk value. At $24.98 for the ultimate kit, you're getting a comprehensive cleaning solution for under $25. With 18 pieces included, it's cost-effective compared to buying individual tools, and it's available globally, with international shipping options. To wrap up, the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber 18-piece kit is an essential home cleaning device. It's powerful, adaptable, easy to use, and a serious time saver. Whether you're doing a quick touch-up or a deep clean, this electric scrub brush is built to handle the job. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a hands-on product breakdown. See you in the next video.